वालों को याद कर रहे हैं जिन्होंने हमारे भविष्य के लिए अपना वर्तमान कुर्बान कर दिया। महात्मा गांधी, भगत सिंह, सुभाष चंद्र बोस जैसे वीरों के साथ
Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter of India. He was born on 2nd October.
ये भारत की आजादी की लड़ाई में प्रमुख नेताओं में से एक।
गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले का जन्म 9 मई 1866 कोतापुर महाराष्ट्र में हुआ था। उनके पिता का नाम कृष्णलाल गोखले था, जो एक किसान थे। उनकी माता आर्मी in 1943 to fight against the British. The Indian National Army also had a women's regiment known as the Rani Jhansi. He was born on 2nd October 1860.
सरवर से हमसे भारत माता के सुभाष हमारा प्यारा है, जय हिंद हमारा नारा है। थैंक यू।
रानी लक्ष्मीबाई का जन्म 19 नवंबर 1828 में बनारस में हुआ था। उनका बचपन का नाम मणिकर्णिका था। लोग उन्हें प्यार से मनु भी कह के बुलाते थे।
Matagini Hazra. Matagini Hazra born in 1869 and lived in poverty. She also married in young age, but unfortunately she became widow at the only age of 18. She is totally inspired by Mahatma Gandhi. That's why she is also known as Gandhi Bui, old Lady Gandhi. She wore khadi and follow Gandhian principles of non-violence. She is great fearless Bengali freedom fighter. On September 29, 1942, while leading a procession to storm a
Quit India movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942. And during this, the British opposed this movement by violence, arresting, and they also do the censorships and they banned the newspaper, radio. And the people of entire India was dependent on newspaper, radio, and news to get the news and information what things that are going in country. So the Usha Mehta take a high risk and play a illegal radio station, and they spared the nationalism in India. Thank you.
1857, the Great Revolt. It was the first fight for the independence. The peoples were protest against the British. It was the first war against the British Empire. This lies the world. It lies the spark for the world, for the nations. Second, the non-cooperation movement, 1920 to 1922, in which the people's this act was under the strong leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Peoples were united and opposed the British product. They were boycott the British goods and service. They were protest against the uses of British goods. They were don't go to their institute, their hospitals, and oppose all the service provided by the British. Dandi March, 1930. It was a powerful civil disobedience. Quit India movement. It was a bold demand from the whole nation. The peoples were ready to do and die. Independence. On 15 August 1947, after a lot of fight and struggle, India's get their independence. From 1857 to 1947, India's not get freedom by gift.